Hello, welcome to the Eco Posh for You channel. Today we are going to be using old graphic tees to make totes and bags out of. So what we're going to do first is we are going to cut the bottom of the tee off, but make sure to keep the graphic in the tee. Alright, and now we are going to turn the t-shirt inside out so it will be ready. And now the shirt is ready for sewing. If you don't have a sewing machine, this is definitely something that you can do by hand. We're going to sew the bottom of this tee. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is we are going to cut the sleeves. And now we are going to sew up both sides that we just cut off the sleeves from. And now we're just going to cut across the top of the shirt right underneath the collar. Okay, so we are going to use the bottom part of the shirt to make the straps. And so what I'm doing is I am cutting it at the seam just on one side only. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm basically folding this material over itself several times to make more of a thick padded strap. And I realize that most tote bags have shorter straps, but I prefer a longer strap when I carry things around. I feel like it helps a lot. So basically what I'm doing is I am just folding this over as neatly and as uniformly as I can so that it is nice, padded, and comfortable to make a great strap. So now I am going to sew the strap together and sew up that right side. So what I ended up doing is to make the strap a little bit thinner, I ended up folding this in half one more time and sewing it on the side as well. Okay, so now that I have my straps, all I do is attach them to the side of the bag, fold that top of that bag / t-shirt over, and sew it all together for our final result. And now we have a wonderful tote bag and something that you can use to carry your things when you are on the go.